started the working.
Does it look fine?
That looks good.
Oh my days. Is the mic on? That's right. Yeah.
Oh, that's him?
Yeah.
Oh.
I thought I was going the wrong way, bro. Take the right? Or red? Yeah, I was about to say, nah.
Sharp ass corner.
Not really. This is sharper. Oh dear. There's some overpasses coming up too.
Okay. Like that's the start of the working. Okay, that makes sense. That's what I did last time. I was just making sure.
Yo, Rutgers got all the sounds, man.
I was trying to talk on the phone and words wouldn't even come out of my mouth.
Let's listen to them comfort pools. You hear that shit? No burbles. I can't meet that car then.
Yeah, got my phone in my pocket.
No, I'm saying, oh no.
Put on your four-way. You coming in?
I got it in. I got it on.
You going in?
Y'all going there?
Yeah, I thought you not going in.
Wait,
You going in there?
Yeah.
I bet. Fuck it. Be right back, chat. About to grab some stuff from the store. Boy, I came in the car over there and shit. But as y'all can see, you got the car out here. Hey man, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It is fucking hot out here right now. So what I'm going to do, about to play basketball and we're finna go swimming. Cause it's like 80 something degrees out here. As y'all can see, my face is legit soaked. I'm gonna give y'all boys a little POV drive coming out of here cause there's some nice sounds out here. Hope y'all boys enjoy the vlog, man. You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna end this vlog soon, bro. It's hot. It's hot and I'm not trying to deal with this camera on my head all day. That speed bump?
Damn, that's big.
Bumbleclad. Right, yes, sir? We made the left at that light and shit.
Yeah.
Yo, did me and you go down there to the bridge to make videos one day and the nigga kicked us out?
Yeah.
Yo, if we were going back to Delaware though, you'll be going straight.
I remember us going back home from here.
Not that fast. They're heavy, bro. It's the same shit that kills.
Sound good, that's it.
Yeah. Oh shit. I got 1 minute to make some sounds on this cam, bro. My shit about to die. If I had an F80, bro, you wouldn't know with the swing I would swing this bitch on this left turn right now. Yeah, I got 1 minute, son. 1 minute, my boy. Oh, I forgot nobody at school.
Oh yeah.
No, they got summer school.
Yo, if you in college and you got summer school, you done.
They got summer classes.